Hey beautiful babes, I am here for you. Today we are getting down to the get down and you came to the right place. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe. Yeah, join the beautiful babe brigade. Be part of the family. Chit chat down in the comments. Let me know who you are. Introduce yourself. Give me your city and your state. Let me know where you're tuning in from. That's amazing. I love it that we can come together from all over the world in one central location. Amazing, right? Let me tell you what else is amazing.
So beautiful babes, here you'll find some of my favorite deodorants. Actually, these are the top 4 of my deodorant collection. But let me tell you something about deodorant. Where do you put it? Right, armpits pretty much most of the time, right? Well, let me tell you something that I've been asked time and time again. How do I stay fresh all day? I mean, from head to toe. Well, yes, definitely take a great shower or bath. Always cleanse your body, right? And definitely use deodorant. But I want to let you on to a little secret. Now, I know many people may already know this, but there's a whole world of people that don't know this. Deodorant is not just for the armpits. That's right. Deodorants can be used on the body as well. Now, there's been this big hype about one particular deodorant, and you see it sitting here, right? There's been one big hype about that one particular deodorant, but a lot of women have been doing this for eons, and that is putting deodorant from the armpits down because, yes, body odor can happen anywhere. And most deodorants are safe to use externally on any part of your body where you sweat. And your armpits are not the only areas for which you sweat in. So for your favorite deodorant, we're going to talk about how you can use it elsewhere. Hopefully you have a deodorant that dries clear so you won't experience unappealing white clumps or leftover residue after applying. So if your deodorant stops odor in its track under your armpits, try this. Take that same deodorant and with clean fingers, wipe the deodorant stick and apply externally to the areas you experience odor. This can be, of course, your armpits, under your breast, your inner thighs, behind the knees, on the heels, feet, stomach folds, or between your butt cheeks. Absolutely. That's right. Simply apply it externally to areas you experience odor. It's as simple as that, beautiful babes. What else can I say? Now, this is one way that you can remain fresh all day. Hot weather, sweating, exercise, all of that. Listen, you will be covered with using your deodorant as a body odorant. Exactly.
All right, beautiful babes, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. And y'all, you know I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming to stop by to hang out with little old me. That's beautiful. So please let me know that you showed up today. Introduce yourself down in the comments or drop me something beautiful down in the comments. Let me know something wonderful. Or if you don't have anything to say, feel free to drop some hearts. I always love those. You know I do. And listen, I'll see y'all on the next one. Tell a friend where you've been hanging out at and why you look so cute. That's right. Share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.